In this video, I'll show you how to create and customize widgets on your iPhone. If this helps you, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like so others can find it. Open your phone and then you're going to tap on an empty space on your screen until the apps start to jiggle. Now, once you see this, you're going to tap on Edit. You're going to find it on the top left corner. Then you're going to tap on Add a Widget. Now you're going to browse and search for the widget that you want to add. You're going to see widgets for the weather, for your calendar, for other apps that you use. You can even add a widget for Amazon to track your orders. You can add a clock widget. There are really a lot of widgets that you can add. And just in case you don't see a widget that you want, what you can do is just simply tap on the search bar and search for the widget that you want. So for example, I would like to add a widget for Google Calendar. And here I can see the different options that I can use for this specific app. Once you see a widget that you like, all you have to do is tap on Add Widget. And if you want to move it around and place it somewhere else, you can hold it and change it to a different screen if that's what you want to do. And if you want to move the widget around, you can just hold it and move it to the right. If you want to switch the screen, or if you want to drag it up or down, you can also do that. You can also make a widget smaller by dragging the corners. And once you're happy with your widget, all you have to do is tap on the screen and that will save the widget on your phone. Hope that helps.